Welcome to 27308 Valley Run. Got a nice open layout. The countertops were recently redone. The flooring's also recently redone. The flooring's in very good shape. There's no buckles or bumps that I could pick up on. Your bathroom? Hey there. You have a marble countertop with a 18 to 20 inch sink, which is nice. Plenty of countertop space. I believe the toilet's new, and I think the tile floors are newer as well. Tub's in good shape, but it is original. Here you have a closet, plenty of space. Nice big size shoe closet. This whole unit actually has tons of closet space, which is a nice feature. You've got a linen closet, and then you have closets in the main bedroom. Of course, it's a one bedroom, one bath. You have the closet. That was the original closet, right? That's the standard closet. And then the current owners have also added 2 additional closets. So you've got plenty of space still in the bedroom for getting ready, and you've got a nice view of the pool, your pool side, which is a big plus in this condo association, in this condominium complex. I don't know if you saw, but you do have a dishwasher and electric cooking and plenty of cabinet space. Thanks very much for letting me show you around.